Hi guys, it's me Mitch002. Today we got our hands on the Xiaomi Mi Pad 4. Okay, so we got the 4 gig and 64 gig variant. Too bad it's not the LTE version, but now this Mi Pad sporting Snapdragon 660 with an 8-inch screen and a 6000 milliampere hour of juice. Okay, let's unbox this thing. Okay, we got here the gold variant. Okay, it's pretty good looking, but only the bezel is a bit thick. So, okay, here's the front camera. Okay, we have the 3.5mm audio jack, the noise cancellation mic up there, the camera, rear facing camera. Then we have the volume rocker and the power button on the right. The memory card expansion, which can expand up to 64 gig. Okay, we have the USB-C, the loudspeaker, as well as mic in for video chat on the messenger. Okay, let's turn this thing on. Okay, it's pretty smooth and fluid, so Snapdragon 660, can't go wrong with that. Okay, we got the 4 gig variant as we speak, so let's check the CIT mode. Okay, version. Okay, I can see here we have the back camera is a OmniVision. Okay, the front camera is a Samsung sensor. Okay, so going back. Okay, it's really running pretty fluid. We didn't experience much lag on this unit, so it's the same processor in the Mi Note 3. Okay, let's check the gallery. Okay, we already took some photos. It's pretty good looking. This is the score of the Geekbench. Okay, PC Mark test, and of course Antutu. Okay, 135K score for this one, which is pretty not bad for a Mi Pad of this variant, which is it's a big upgrade from the Mi Pad 3 as well as the Mi Pad 2. So it's the first time to support a Snapdragon. Okay, we have the charging cable and the charger in here. Okay, this is it. Stay tuned for my complete review on MIUI 4